Sorry, we're here. This is so good. Me and Johnny are taking turns, so here you go, Johnny. Here somewhere. It's so good. Wait, you have a green one, don't you? Did it break? Did it break?
I need it.
Then I get to have it.
No, you don't. Fine. Wait, can you move your bean? Okay, we're gonna do the helicopter. We're gonna fly. I'm actually really good at flying this. Okay, can you move?
Of course I can.
Stuff. Even the beanbag chair you have to move.
No, that was fine. I'll sit on my beanbag chair on my bed. Does that sound good? Don't get in my hair.
I'm pretty sure.
Wait, Max. Uh-oh.
Wait, get Max. What's up, Max?
Come here. Max.
I think it.
I don't even know what these are called, but they're so good. Shout out to Jackson for giving us this candy. It's really good. Thanks, Jackson.
Max, move.
Hold on, look. Oh!
Get that. Okay, I don't know what happened.
And if this doesn't work, we already have a plan to do what's next.
Okay, that was too dangerous. I can actually fly way better. So, you saw me like flying.
I swear, he's a real good. I should just eyeballing me for this. Look at it.
Katie,
It doesn't work?
it works, but I'm gonna have to fix it.
I've already
I'm gonna have to set up the gears.
Okay, set them up. Whoa!
Okay. You know that cardboard thing? That was my helicopter guy. It actually lands down there.
Whoa! Well, it's good. It's so tiny. Why isn't it working?
Because I don't know. Is it dead? I'm charging it for like the whole 8 hours of school.
6.5.
6.5.
Oh, it's working. There it is. Oh, it's okay.
You dumb thing. Can you move this? You're gonna have to shut it.
Wait,
Shut it down.
Stop it.
Okay.
Shut it down. You're still here? What do you want, my sucker? Wait, I'm making it up.
Katie, you're gonna have to go downstairs. Okay, let's go.
Okay, come on, Max.
Wait, you got the pin? Can you play it?
Yeah, no. Oh, where? Go.
Beauty. Move back.
Let me get closer for you.
Wait 1 second, guys.
Look at our calendar. I made him. My mom's over in there. So here's our calendar. I'm just waiting for Johnny.
Pause the video.
Okay. Go. Sorry for the blur. Look at it.
I can't do small spaces, so that's why I'm good at it here.
It's nice.
Linda. Once I was going super fast and scaring Joey, and like he was like, "Stop! You're gonna crash." I'm like, "No, I'm not. And I'm not. I know what I'm doing." And I purposely went so fast. It was gonna break it, and then I just went.
Max.
Okay, I'm just gonna. Then I just went like I just like fixed it, and then I went like. Wait, I'll show you. I'll be reacting. Yeah. But I'm gonna check if the battery's off.
Okay.
It says like It says if you charge it for whole 6 hours, 20 minutes.
Okay, Johnny.
Really,
Johnny's it's dead, so we're just gonna.
It's not fully dead.
It's not fully dead, but we're just keep it. It's on.
Ruby, move!
What? Oh.
Move, Ruby.
Because she's so
My
cute.
bad.
Look at her.
Actually, move, Ruby. Move her.
Come here, Ruby. Ah! Your nose is so big and cute. Come here. So cute. She's not cute when she's mean.
I'm actually going like...
Neither am I.
Okay, it's dead.
It's dead. Oh God, it's so dark. It's so dark. See you guys in the next video, I guess, because that's dead. So see you guys